Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp backup on ZTE Blade A36. Alright, to create a backup we need to open up our WhatsApp. Once we are here, we need to click on those three dots in the top right corner and now open up the settings. Now find Chats, scroll down a little until you find Chat Backup. Okay, and now we need to discuss few things. Let's begin with the Google account. Simply tap on that, and in here, as you can see, in my case, currently this Google account is selected, and on that account, our backup will be saved and stored. So for example, if you want to restore that backup later in the future, you'll need to be logged into the same Google account that you have selected right in here during the backup process. If you want, of course, you can add another account. Down below, we have the automatic backups. Defaultly, this option is turned off, but you can see that in my case I put it only monthly, which means that each month the backup will be automatically made and I don't need to do this manually. That is pretty convenient and comfortable feature, so if you want you can pick between one of those modes. Okay, let's also include the videos in our backup, make sure that it's enabled. And on the bottom we have end-to-end encrypted backup. It is not necessary to turn it on. Basically it's like an extra security feature that you can enable. If you choose to turn it on, you'll be able to create a unique password that you will need to type in the future in the moment when you want to restore your backup. But be aware that if you create that password and when you forget it, you won't be able to restore your chats. So you're doing it on your own. Also, make sure that you have some free Google storage space right in here. If you don't have enough, simply tap log into your Google account and you will have to delete something to get some free Google storage space. Now to create a backup, all we need to do is to tap this green button, backup. The process will now start. In my case it won't take long because I don't have many messages. Alright, boom. It is finished. As we take a look on the last backup we can see the hour and it's the same, so everything went successfully. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.